In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts into Klaviyo. This process is quite straightforward and will only take about 5 minutes of your time, but it adds a great level of personalization to your content, ensuring your branding remains consistent and visually appealing. First things first, you need to log in to your Klaviyo account. It's the starting point for customizing your emails and campaigns with the fonts you love and want to incorporate into your brand's aesthetic. Make sure you have your login credentials ready to breeze through this part quickly. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Klaviyo dashboard. From here, navigate over to the content section. Under this, you'll see images and brand. This is where all your branding elements are located, including the options for customizing your fonts, which is exactly what we're focusing on today. Now, within images and brand, there's a tab dedicated to fonts. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to adding, selecting, and managing custom fonts that will give your emails that unique touch. Having your brand's specific fonts can make a big difference, making your communications look more intentional and polished. At this point, it's time to choose the type of font you want to implement. There are a few different options here, so let's break them down. If you're into Google Fonts, you're in luck because integrating them is pretty seamless. Simply search for the font by its name, select it, and you're pretty much set. Remember, Google Fonts is a popular choice due to its extensive library and ease of use, so if you're looking for versatility, it's a great place to start. Next up, if you have an Adobe Font subscription, those can also be incorporated into Klaviyo without much fuss. You'll need to ensure your fonts are available through Adobe and linked to your account. Access them, select the ones you require, and add them to your Klaviyo setup just as straightforwardly. Lastly, if you're hosting your own fonts, that option is available too. This is particularly useful if you have custom fonts that are unique to your brand. You'll just need to upload them directly into Klaviyo. Be sure that your font files are ready and in the correct format for an easy upload. After you've selected or uploaded your desired fonts, make sure you don't forget the final step, hitting that save button. Saving your changes ensures everything is locked in, preventing any frustrating moments of redo. This will ensure your email campaigns maintain consistency with your brand's visual elements. And there you have it, the steps to adding custom fonts into Klaviyo. By the end of this short process, you'll have a personalized touch added to your content, making your brand consistently recognizable. Happy customizing, and don't forget to check out our other guides for more tips and tricks.